Malilate na ako, guys. 7:10.
There are times I get carried away. Please, don't worry. Next time I'm home, still be the same. I know it's no fun. So nice. First sun gets up.
Hi, guys! Pasok tayo sa room. Practice tayo, guys.
Sincerely, don't worry. Same old boy that you hoped you would find. And I know it's no fun.
Hi, guys! Gusto mag-practice? Math naman, guys. Math. Excuse me! Daming nangyayari! Hi, guys! So, clearance ako ngayon. Bilis tayo.
Freaking out the neighborhood. May ganyan malagyan, napakaingay. Stress na siya? Magalit ka! Morning!
Sila guys, pauwi na kami.
Uy, maglinis!
Tosino ka ba? Kasi, tosino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman. Ito.
Sarap din.
Hi vlog. Hi vlogs.
Uwi na, guys! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye, everyone! Guys, di pa pala bye-bye. Magpa-practice pa kami sa gym. Kami walang practice. Wala kami practice sa inyo. Hi, guys! Kapag nahulog ako sa hagdan, makikita niya kung paano. Hi. Practice na, guys.
So, pumunta kami 7-Eleven. Guys, hindi ko kasama sa atin sila sa Simada siya. tayo ngayon nag-snacks kasi may practice tayo ngayon. Sioma yung binili ko. Ayaw mag-fried. So, delivery check. Tapos, pupuntahan natin si Ate Sharice. Gumagawa siya ng steps. Gusto mo nga? Thank you. Thank you, si Wigo. And si Ate Nina.
Hi guys!
Oh, please don't drop me home, because it's not my home, it's their home, and I'm welcome no more. And if a double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die. And if a 10-ton truck kills the both of us, to die by your side, well, the pleasure, the privilege is mine. Take me out tonight. Take me anywhere, don't care, don't care, don't care.
Nagawa po kami ng group activity sa science.
My chances come at last, but then a strange fear gripped me and I just couldn't pass. Take me out tonight. Oh, take me anywhere, don't care, don't care, don't care.
Hi guys, so tapos na tayo.
Riding in your car, I never want to go home, because I haven't got one all along. Oh, I haven't got one.
Hi guys, so nasa clinic kami nito.
Double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die.
Ayan na siya guys!
10-ton truck kills the both of us, to die by your side.
Pupunta kami ng palengke. Dahil may gusto kami dito. Drops naman kami guys.
Akin yata ay Gugu, ako na yung gamit ko nito.
Uwi na ako guys. Uwi na ako guys. Pagkadating sa bahay is gagawa na ako ng assignment then magpapahinga. Yun lang.
Today ay Wednesday at tayo ay namalengke. Kahapon namalengke kami ng mga 4, tapos ngayon namalengke din kami mga 7 ng umaga. So dalawang beses kami namalengke. But medyo nakapagod and buti hindi kami na-late.
Hi guys! Luluto kami ngayon. Ayan, busy na sila.
While the others talk,
Oh, let's say hi!
the lovers run. In her bedroom. And if you start to kiss,
Appetizer muna, ma'am.
and the record skips, flip it over.
Ano na baby namin ang klaro?
May garlic
Butter, onion. Sige na.
But if you're too drunk to drive,
Okay lang.
then she might let you stay.
portion.
And drives you alone. She might wanna kiss
Sobrang bilis sa tonight. Ay sa'yo.
Hi sa'yo! Sarap! Lunch na guys. Hi guys! Hi guys, super haggard na. Tapos na kami guys, uwian na. Hi vlog! Partner! Ay! Uwian na. Uwian na guys! Hi guys! So, habang may nagluluto sa HE, wala kaming klase guys. Hi guys! Wala kaming ginagawa, so makikinos kami sa ng grade 8 and grade 9.
Overpost pa ng yelo. May yelo ba? Lapit mo nga.
Diyan! Diyan!
Party yun eh. Papa.
Tapos na guys!
this love more try. I'll put the sparkle right back in your eye.
Good luck guys!
What could you lose?
Titikim din kami. Ay wow!
Recommend the food that we serve in you. Please make by Ipon.
Pumunta din sila. Tikim ulit kami. Ang kanino to? Sarap. Hi guys! After namin magtambay sa HE, klase na ulit. Pero baka practice lang pala. Hi guys! 11 na. Babala kami ng room. Baka kasi nagmamat na sila guys.
Pag may nakabukas.
Late na kami. Inuna kasi yung tambay sa HE eh.
Wala kumakaldal siya.
Guys, may mat nga late kami. Hi guys! Pa-practice kami ng ng hip-hop, guys. Nagpalit ako ng PE uniform kasi super init ng long sleeve. Yan. Ika! Ano sila ba? Ika! Ready ka na ba? Ready ka na ba bukas?
It's on now.
Yes! Me too.
Nakaganan niya sa akin. Nakaganan niya.
Wow. Yun, guys. Practice na! Hi, guys! Lunch na! Sasali ko na yung phone ko. Hi! Yan na, guys. And umuwi na yung partner ko. Si Carmen kasi! Hi ka! Hi! Nanad kami ng practice ng kabila. Bukas na yung hip-hop, guys. Good luck! Mika! Mika! Hi ka! Hi! So, 4 p.m. na and kakasundo lang sa akin. Ngayon naman is uwi na tayo. Yun lang.
kawindang. Na naman, ako'y walang kalaban-laban. Na naman.
Kuya na guys.
Na naman. Napaparami na nakaw na tingin. Ako'y nagmimistulang kulang sa pansin. Laging hinahanap ang iyong mga yakap lang kasawa-sawang hahabulin.